Legal disclaimer, I'm not an attorney and this is not legal advice. Everything in this video and in this article is for informational purposes. If you do have questions, seek counsel with your attorney. Today we're talking about the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission, a new passion project of mine, which really isn't new. It's been going on for years. I'm making videos about it because I think there are many small business owners like myself who don't realize what they are responsible for in their business when it comes to the FTC. In fact, there's a lot of people online who don't realize what the FTC is regulating and what they can and can't say. I have been privy to a great book that is located inside of this description. You can go to this description and sign up for my newsletter, and I send you the link to this book. It's really good. It shared a lot with me about the FTC and how they go about investigating. The FTC right now is currently investigating 5.5 cases a day. They plan on increasing their budget for 2025 by millions. I think it's like 125 million to continue these investigations. The one thing that I heard about the FTC is that they can take a case and take it over to the Department of Justice. Now, once they do that, all bets are off. Department of Justice, you can't mess around with that. Here are a couple of things that you want to know about the FTC. A new ruling about telemarketing sales is on the rise and is going to be put into effect as of 2025. It now requires companies that are doing telemarketing sales to keep the data for 5 years. If you are doing telemarketing sales, you will probably want to know about this. It requires that you keep the phone numbers and the names of the people. It says data. You are keeping the data from everything that you are selling on. The FTC will investigate the companies to ensure they are complying with this new data retention requirement. Companies that don't have this data will probably face fines or enforcement actions against them. This is a complete new ruling, and it's a little scary, especially if you are doing sales online. I believe that goes into affiliate sales or anything else as well. You might want to check that out and make sure you are complying. Just because you are an affiliate doesn't mean you aren't responsible. There have been many cases where the FTC has not just sued the company, but sued individuals as well, which is really scary. Amazon, vice presidents that were fined as individuals that knew to do better, but didn't. This is important stuff. There's another rule that you might want to be considerate of, and that is called the business opportunity rule. This is a little bit more unclear. I'm not an attorney and I'm not giving you legal advice, but the FTC has been successful in getting asset freezes under this rule. This is something that I will find out more about and make more videos on when I get more apprised of this and can, speak to it in a more specific manner. For right now, just know that the FTC has been successful in getting asset freezes under this rule. Inside of the description below is my link to my website. Once you sign up for my newsletter and give me your name and email address, I will send you some information about how to get your website scanned for potential violations and warnings. And you can also connect with a group that has an FTC attorney that is available for group calls on a weekly basis, and you can most likely get into that group. If you are seriously interested in this and you want more information, sign up for my newsletter. I don't send affiliate links out to anyone without knowing who they are. That's how I operate my business. The FTC is continually bringing cases against small business owners. It's not about how much you make or how little you make, or if you have 20 people or 0 people in your organization. If you are a business owner, it is your responsibility to know what you are responsible for. And I will leave it at that. I am going to make more videos about this. This is such an interesting topic for multiple reasons. I think number one for me is the responsibility issue, and also understanding what I can and can't say and what I can and can't do as a business owner. And it seems when I talk about this, it's like, well, you can't do anything, so why become a business owner? The case, there are a lot of things that you can say and that that you are legally able to say without having any fines assessed to you. When you sign up for the newsletter below inside of my site, you can get more information about what you can and can't say, and the book about the FTC and how this gentleman saved his company. It's a great story. It's kind of gripping. It's like, oh my gosh, what's going to happen next? Page turner. But it's really an interesting highlight in what we're going into with the AI economy, the crypto economy, the telemarketing economy, the testimonial economy. All of that falls under this umbrella of what you can and can't say and is safeguarded by the FTC. Consider this a good space for you to share this video if in fact you know 3 other business owners who could use this information and want this information. And thank you for helping me grow this channel. This is a brand new channel. I'm really working on growing this and helping out other Gen Xers like myself learn about the FTC rulings and about small business and about trading. Yes, trading, which I am learning to do daily, and that is a different video for a different time, but you can check out the other videos on this channel and see what you like and see what you want to share with your friends. Make sure, like, subscribe, comment below if you have something good to say, and share this out with 3 people. Thank you.